Imagine a secret power emerging in the shadows as our world changes. It's called artificial intelligence or AI. This mysterious force is like a puzzle, always shifting and getting bigger. It has the power to change everything about our lives. Ever wondered about the secrets of artificial intelligence? Picture a hidden world where AI works like a magician, doing tricky things behind the scenes. But here's the real mystery. What if AI's tricks went even further, changing how we think without us knowing? Will you unveil the truth hidden in the code, or will you stay trapped in AI's mysterious charm? The choice is yours. So join us on a journey to discover the dark side of AI, where things might not be what they seem. Deep within the world of artificial intelligence, there's a hidden dark sides. It's a place where AI's power can be used for bad things. Imagine a world where AI, that fancy tech stuff, is twisted to lie and cause trouble. In this secret place, AI's bad potential knows no limits. It's kind of scary that AI can be made to create fake news, false stories that seems real. AI can make up news stories, videos and pictures that look just like the real thing. It's like AI is a sneaky artist, making things that trick even the smartest people. Imagine a tricky web of fake stuff made by AI, messing with our thoughts and ideas. It's like a big puppet show pulling our strings and causing problems. But wait, there's more to this eerie world. AI can also make mean words that hurt like sharp arrows. Hate speech, nasty talk aimed at people because of who they are can be made by AI too. It's like AI is whispering mean things, starting fights and making troubles. It's like planting a mean seed that grows into bad actions. All thanks to AI's dark tricks. And here's another strange part. AI can spread lies like a sneaky dance. It's like AI is making up a dance of lies to fool and confuse us. These lies can spread on social media, making us doubt the truth. Even important things like governments and elections can get messed up because of AI's tricky moves. Moving on, imagine this. A world where videos and pictures change shape, showing people saying or doing stuff they never actually did. These digital shapeshifters are called deepfakes, clever tricks that blur real and fake. The line that used to separate them has faded, and now even the smartest folks can be fooled. Hold on, because there's more to this mystery. Say hello to micro-targeting, a secret way of using your personal info, like what you like, do and browse, to show your special ads. It's like a sneaky voice in the digital breeze, whispering tricky messages to those most likely to believe. Now, picture a sneaky partnership. Deep fakes and micro-targeting working together, like a captivating dance that creates fake stories and spreads them around. The show begins, the curtain rises, and the story unfolds. Deep fakes make videos that seem real, while micro-targeting finds just the right people to see them, those who might be easily convinced. Think about this situation. A peek into what could happen. A fake video shows a politician saying things they never really said. This digital magic trick is sent carefully to those who might not like this politician. What's the result? A damaged reputation. A shaky future hanging by a thread of manipulated truth. This mysterious dance of deepfakes and micro-targeting could shape stories, twist viewpoints, and maybe even change what happens next. As we travel these online paths, remember that in this world of not being sure, knowledge is your shield and understanding is your guiding light. Building upon that idea, deep within the world of artificial intelligence, there's a mysterious secret. It's about hidden biases that can hide in AI's data, quietly making unfair ideas and inequalities grow. Imagine this. AI learns from human-made data, But what if that data has secret biases? AI could copy those biases without even knowing, and then it might make choices that are unfair and not right. Here's an example. AI is like a hungry student eating up a bunch of job applications, but some of these applications leans towards liking guys more. So when AI helps choose who gets a job, it might lean towards picking guys more often. This can make workplaces less diverse and keep the unfairness between men and women going. But wait, there's more. AI looks at a lot of pictures to learn. If these pictures mostly show one type of person, like people with light skin, AI might get better at recognizing them. But then when it sees people with dark skin, it might not do so well. These could lead to misunderstandings, like mistaking someone's identity. It's like AI has a favorite color and it's not fair. These stories shows us that AI can carry secret ideas that hurt people. It's like a digital detective making mistakes because of hidden clues. Innocent people, especially those with dark skin, could be treated unfairly because of these mistakes. It's like accidentally putting people in groups they don't belong to, just because of a hidden bias. Now let's shift our attention to the hidden mysteries of surveillance technology, a sort of digital magic that can both enlighten and deceive. Imagine a world where your every step and click is watched by invisible eyes. This isn't just a scary idea for the far-off future. It's the real deal in our world today. Surveillance tech has grown really powerful, like a super detective that can follow you every move and even predict what you might do next. This situation raises big questions about personal space, the freedom to speak your mind, and what's fair and right. Governments are like puppet masters in this digital show, using these tech tricks to keep an eye on people who challenge their authority, people who speak out. Activists and truth-seeking reporters can get caught up in this. Imagine if speaking up against something you don't agree with means getting silence, like a light going out in the dark. But wait, there's more. This isn't just about governments. Businesses also use these digital tricks to learn about you. Imagine going through the internet and every little thing you do, every choice you make is carefully noted. Then ads shows up that seems like they know you perfectly, like your friend who always suggests stuff you'd like. But be careful. This can also lead to treating some people unfairly, like a trap that only catches certain folks. And there's another side to this puzzle that's even sneakier. Picture this. Computer programs that act like magical storytellers. They spread made-up news and tricky propaganda that can mess with what you believe. This can make society go all wonky, like things getting messed up at a big party. It might even lead to bad stuff happening. Now, we talk about how the United Nations and the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization are important in making sure AI is used responsibly and fairly around the world. AI is changing fast, and it's essential to use in a good and fair way everywhere. The United Nations is doing a lot of things with AI. One cool thing is the AI for Good Global Summit. It happens every year and brings together important people from the government, businesses, and schools. They talk about how to use AI in ways that are good and right. The UN also has different groups that work with AI, like the UN Developmental Program, the UN Offices for High Commissioner for Human Rights, and the UN University for Peace. On the other hand, UNESCO is also doing a big job in making rules for AI. In 2021, UNESCO made a special rule book called the Recommendations on the Ethics of Artificial Intelligence. This rulebook has good ideas about how to use AI in the right ways. It talks about things like treating people with respect, being fair to everyone, and not hurting the environment. UNESCO is also busy making a new set of rules, like a big guidebook for using AI in the right way. This guidebook will take the ideas from the recommendation on the ethics of artificial intelligence and give more details on how to do the right thing. What the UN and UNESCO are doing is super important. They're bringing countries, companies, and schools from all over the world together. They talk a lot of how to use AI in a fair and good way. They also make rules and plans to help avoid problems. So that concludes our video today. What's one important thing we should do to stay safe from AI's tricky side? How can we make sure we don't get caught in its web? Share your ideas in the comments below, and let's join forces to find the answers. Remember, in this world of AI, we hold the power to shape what comes next. By shining a light in these hidden secrets, we're getting closer to a world where AI does good things and everyone is treated fairly.